डियर स्टूडेंट्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। 11th क्लास अकाउंटेंसी के प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ट्रायल बैलेंस के मुतालिक सीखने की कोशिश की और आज मेरा टॉपिक है रेक्टिफिकेशन ऑफ एरर्स। दिस इज़ यूनिट 4th ऑफ योर अकाउंटेंसी सिलेबस। इन द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स, errors may occur at the recording stage, posting stage, balancing stage, or at the time of preparation of trial balance. Errors may be classified into four categories. Number first is error of omission, second one errors of commission, third one errors of principle, and last one is compensating errors. Errors of omission may be caused at the time of recording the transaction in the books of original entry or at the time of posting to the ledger. Errors of omission may arise when a business transaction is completely or partially omitted to be recorded in the books of accounts. For example, goods sold to Mrs. Anil on credit but not recorded in the sales book. This type of error is called errors of omission. Errors of commission. Errors of commission means and include errors caused due to wrong recording of transactions, wrong costing of the subsidiary books, wrong totaling or balancing of the accounts, wrong posting, and wrong carry forward. These errors may or may not hamper the accounts of trial balance. For example, goods worth rupees 2000 sold to Jitan on credit has been recorded in the sales book for rupees 20,000. Second example is goods worth rupees 2000 purchased from Mohan on credit has been recorded in the purchases book for rupees 200. Errors of principle. Errors of principle means and include errors caused due to violation of generally accepted accounting principles with incorrect allocation between capital and revenue items. It is worth mentioning here that proper allocation between the two items is very important in the sense that improper allocation would lead to wrong and misleading results through financial statements. These errors would lead to underestimation, overstatement of assets or expenses or liabilities or incomes. These errors do not disturb the agreement of trial balance. These may be two possibilities of occurrence of these errors: treating capital items as revenue items, and second, treating revenue items as capital items. For example, purchase of machinery worth rupees 20,000 debited to wages. Second example, receipts of rupees 1 lakh on accounts of a specific fund credited as income of the business. When compensating errors, when two or more errors are committed in such a way that the effect of one error is compensated by the effect of other, it is known as compensating errors. It is worth mentioning here that the net impact of these errors on the debit and creditors of an account is nil. These errors do not disturb the agreement of trial balance. For example, a sum of rupees 1000 was paid to Rohit on 1st of January 2011 but was posted in Rohit's account on as rupees 100. Similarly, a sum of rupees 100 paid to Rohit on 31st March 2010 was posted in Rohit's account as rupees 1000. In this case, it can be observed that errors of 1st January 2011 was compensated by the error of 31st March 2011. Second example for this is on 1st February 2011, goods worth rupees 10,000 were sold to Ram but were posted to Rahim's accounts worth rupees 100. Similarly, on 1st March 2011, goods worth rupees 100 were sold to Nitin but rupees 10,000 were posted into Jitin's accounts. In this case, it can be observed that the error of 1st February 2011 was compensated by the error of 1st March 2011. These types of errors are called as compensating errors. Although compensating errors do not hamper the agreement of trial balance, reasons being that the column of debit and credit balances would have shown the same amounts anyway, even if these errors had not been committed. This is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.